here, man.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
You know these road rages are always funny. Never go wrong.
Madison Crawford's primary defense on the facts is going to be legislative immunity. That he's allowed to say and come to his conclusions legislative immunity. That he's allowed.
I'm guessing he had a stop sign, David stop, or some shit.
In the performance of his job
Really?
as a member of Congress. It's complicated a little bit by the fact
Yeah, no, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Really? His reaction's funny as fuck. Okay.
Oh, come on, dude.
Man's lost.
Come on.
Okay, stopping like that though is crazy. Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, what happened? What is wrong with that guy?
I don't know. I'm not sticking around to find out.
Nah, hey, nah. That man's is weird, bro. Wait, where's that at? Because it tells you. See, was that Canada? I fucking forgot. Fuck. What the fuck?
What are you doing, man? Yeah, we just stupid rear end, old damage and shit.
Man's already got one car accident. He's like, fuck. Hey, you got the wheel though. Calm down, bitch.
Yeah, shut up, you stupid little f***er. Son of a bitch.
Or go fix your car.
Maple, maple, catch and carry, ash and ember, elderberry. He finished the chant while pointing at a squat green bottle. He twisted out the cork, took a speculative sip, then at a squat green bottle.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, it's
He
not that
twisted out
serious.
the
Like,
cork. He finished.
this is not that serious. Like, you like, look, you're all the way back here as he's coming, bro.
Oh, catch and carry.
You know what I'm saying?
Ash
You're all the way back here.
and ember.
All you gotta do is
elderberry.
go to this lane, my guy.
He
You
finished
know what
the
I'm
chant while
saying?
pointing at a squat
He
green
moves up a little bit
bottle.
right there, bang. You could have
He
got
twisted out
through,
the
bro. You
cork,
know what I'm saying?
took a speculative sip, then made a sour face and shuddered. He quickly set the bottle down and pitched.
Oh, okay.
No.
Well, that makes
That
sense, but
said,
still, I mean, could have just
the
waited,
innkeeper
bro.
raised
Ain't
an
that
eyebrow.
serious?
I've been tasting. The innkeeper
Yo, no one
raised
uses
an
their
eyebrow.
turn signal nowadays, bro. Even when I drive, I never see them shits. Like, what the fuck?
I've been
You not
tasting.
use them shits?
That said, emphasizing the word. Tasting comes before drinking. Ah.
Bro, you see him coming, bro, right? I would have saw him coming.
What's your problem, dude?
I'd be looking because motherfuckers don't know how to drive, you know what I'm saying? That's me, though.
They don't always have to be together. They could go out in 3s or 4s. If one of them makes fires dim, then it'll
Ooh, that
look
was
the same
close.
as if they all made the fires dim. That would account for the differences in the
Damn.
stories.
How fucking
Different
long you to
numbers
beat the
and different
horn?
signs depending upon how they're grouped together.
Oh, that's crazy. Slowing down out of going. You're supposed to go 40. Shit, 40 miles per hour. Motherfuckers going 10. Why is he following him or? Nice. Hey, that's how you park right there. Yup. Wait, hello? I was like, fuck it, I'm not turning.
Okay. Hold on.
Colin.
I am. Let me go out and make sure they're okay.
That's crazy. They hate each other. Yup. I know he swerved. I think he dodged. He dodged, right? He's on a bike. I can see him in the shadow.
Sometimes you gotta let people know, man.
Ah, he tweaking. Yo. He didn't know, if he didn't switch lanes, he would have got hit. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Wait, what the fuck? Alright. The guy was turning left is technically his fault. Man's also like he's speeding though. Nah, he probably was speed. He probably was going speed limit type shit. That's crazy. The car. Bro, what? He's still go. Hello? Oh. Well, that makes sense. If you passed out, then yeah, okay. I'll say hello, like you're not gonna stop.
Holy Jesus.
Oh shit! Run out the way, man. I'll try to see something real quick. That's a red light right there. Ooh, man's ate a red light to hit somebody. That's tough. Hey, I know how. I know it's usually if the person that's turning left hits somebody is their fault. 'Cause they're the ones turning left. They're supposed to wait. But like yellow light means slow down, my guy. Not fucking speed up like that. You know what I'm saying? So drive red. Yeah, see. Drive ran a red light. That you ran a red light. What was I talking? Damn, except for minor needs back increase. It still fucking sucks. Could have been easily avoided. That's a dumb shit, bro. Fucking dumb shit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today.
Some people just do dumb shit, bro.